I heard that it's something interesting in youth, and it's not usual theater. It's some kind of new experience for me, and I want to see it.
English theater, and that it is connected with acting and cinema as well, and that it connects video projection, and it is not very developed in Ukraine, and it is interesting to see how it will be on stage today.
We're very interested in the relation between film and theatre, and as I said before, we're very interested in how we seem to live our lives like films, or the cinema frames how we imagine our lives.
Hello? Hello?
You're too late. You've just missed her, Harry.
What we hope is going to happen tonight is that we'll make a presentation of this performance, and that the audience will enjoy it. It's quite challenging, I think. It's formally quite unusual, I guess, for live performance, because there are things about not being able to see actors' faces that some people might struggle with. But there is a very, I think, rather beautiful and interesting narrative, which we hope will engage and interest the audiences.
I'd like a room.
Of course, single or a double?
Single.
With a bathroom?
Yes, if you've got water. Look, just give me a room, whichever's cheapest.
14 room.
I'll take it.
We work over long periods of time and we devise the work together, so it's quite a lengthy process, lots of people involved, lots of technology. Yeah, it takes us about a year to make a show, so on and off.
Do you want to touch me, Harry?
What do you mean?
I mean, touch me. I mean, you've touched women before, haven't you?
Of course I have.
Well then, soldier boy, why don't you touch me?
And what happened in Britain, in the UK, was the Second World War was reinvented in the 1950s. It was looked back 10 years after. And that's the kind of films that I grew up in as a kid, and Pete did as well. And so that look was really important to us. That cinema is like memory for us. So we took that idea and then made it a more contemporary idea.